Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Joy to Creation Designs. I'm coming to you ladies and gentlemen today with another It's Fall Y'all swap. This is swap number 5 reveal. The name of this beautiful queen that I am going to be featuring today, her name is TASHA Billings, okay? And Tasha sent her package in this big envelope. I have not opened it, so I'm going to go ahead and, as you can hear me cutting it, I'm going to go ahead and open it up so I can show you all the goodies that Tasha sent in. I also want y'all to know, and I don't know if any of y'all have seen it, but I will not be having a Jewelry Talk Live tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. My Jewelry Talk Live will resume next Friday, which is November the 1st, okay? So this is her box. Let's see what goodies we got in this box. But before I get started, I want to say, Tasha, I want to say thank you so much, Queen, for allowing yourself to be a blessing to one of the other queens here in this group. We greatly appreciate you so very much for walking in your greatness and allowing yourself to use your gifts and talents to showcase what you can do to the world, okay? So we thank you so much, Queen. So I'm going to cut this open and we're going to see what we have. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Let's slide this out. Oh, this is... Tasha just... Look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, queens. Once again, I'm going to repeat, no Jewelry Talk Live tomorrow, y'all. October the 25th, it has been canceled. We will resume next Friday. Next Friday is going to be November the 1st. I will be doing the drawing of the names as I promised. Okay, y'all, I gotta get my rest. Okay, so I won't be doing Jewelry Talk Live tomorrow. So I'm sorry that I had to talk about it on this swap reveal, but this is a gorgeous box. And we're going to open it. Oh, this is cute. Oh, wow. And this is what we have inside of this gorgeous box. These boxes. This is a nice box. Tasha, you got to let me know where you get your boxes from. These are really cute. Okay, so this is our reveal. Okay, that's really nice. This box is gorgeous, y'all. So whoever gets this is getting a gorgeous box. I just want y'all to know. All right. So let's get into this. So this is our package. And let's see what we have. And I love this tissue paper. It's definitely, oh wow. It is definitely, now I'm going to have to move it because it's going to interfere with the actual seeing the colors. Okay, so we have 2 pair of earrings, queens. So let's open up. Is it 2 pair? Yes. Or, oh, okay. All right, Tasha. All right, so let's go with this one first. These are gorgeous. Like, okay, this queen, I think Tasha has been following me maybe about almost maybe, I don't know how long she actually has been following me, but she's someone who became a part of Jewelry Talk Live. This is gorgeous. Look at this. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous, Tasha. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't want to put it all the way on my hand and not be able to get it off, but it's gorgeous, y'all. Look at that. So you're going to get a ring. And Tasha has been on Jewelry Talk Live with us for some time now, almost a year if I'm not mistaken. And these are the gorgeous earrings. So these are too cute. I love long earrings, y'all. Awesome, awesome work, Tasha. Awesome work. Everybody that's been sending in their swaps has been so color coded. I hope I'm saying it right. Y'all colors have definitely been it's for y'all swap reveals. Absolutely awesome. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so you're going to get these gorgeous earrings and the ring. And you are also going to get another pair of earrings. Oh, wow. Oh, look at these. Wait a minute. Hold up. This is this is gorgeous. Okay, Tasha. All right, I'm not going to take this apart. Okay. Okay, y'all. So these are the earrings. That's just too fab. Okay, too fab. Look at these. Gorgeous. I haven't seen anything like this before. Absolutely gorgeous. So you get these earrings and you get a wire wrap bracelet. Too cute. Too cute. This is beautiful, Tasha. This is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. That's a beautiful set. So y'all gonna get two beautiful sets. These are some leaves, I believe is what it's called. They hanging down the bottom. Beautiful, beautiful set, y'all. I can't get over this. The work, y'all work, like I said, it gets better and better and better and better. And that's what I expect. I expect for y'all to get better at what you do. Okay? So with that being said, Tasha, I want to thank you again for participating in this swap, sweetheart. We greatly appreciate you so very much. Also, Queen, I want you to know, I want to thank you for allowing yourself to walk in your greatness and to show the world what you can do through your gifts and your talents, okay? And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, I do want to mention that the name of Tasha's business is Siobhan Chic Boutique. I'm going to make sure that I leave all of her information down in the description box, okay? All right, y'all. So y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe by hitting that all bell button on the side. If you are new, for those of you, I want to thank y'all for joining me. And please like, share, and give this video here a thumbs up. Until the next one, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.